Welcome to On the Docket, your front row seat to justice in action. All defendants are innocent until proven guilty.
Court calls the case of the people versus Kyle Raney.
Sinatra for the people.
Mike Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Raney, Your Honor, state your name.
Kyle Raney.
Your Honor, we'd ask the court, I believe Ms. Iconrulli submitted a green sheet. We'd ask the court to adjourn this matter.
For mitigation information. Is that coming through the office in your office, or just some other form of mitigation? How much time do you need?
Yeah, I would ask for 2 weeks. 3 weeks. 6 weeks, $1.
Why don't I do this? Let me adjourn it out to the 19th. And then you can see where you are. I don't want to put it too far out because he's in custody. So December 19th, 2024, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ann. Yes. Court calls case of the people versus George.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, I'd ask the court to respond in this matter.
Go ahead.
I was already incarcerated. I didn't work 8 hours. Came and picked me up from here, and then I came from Hillsdale here.
Your Honor, I'd ask the court to consider a personal recognizance bond for Mr. Raney. I believe he had a failure to appear, but it appears he was in custody in Hillsdale County at the time and then brought here.
On what?
On this matter, I believe.
I got Hillsdale.
Yeah, but why was he in custody?
Oh,
W.
sorry.
So he was in custody in Hillsdale on a CCW. Did that occur while he was on bond on this case?
No.
No, Your Honor, I believe it was.
So he started allegedly using meth after.
The date of offense for the CCW case out of Hillsdale is 3/26/24. Date of offense on this incident with you is 6/6/24.
Is he in custody in Hillsdale?
6 months.
I believe he's finished that matter, Judge.
Well, that isn't, but that's not making much sense. So he was in custody at the time of this hearing?
I believe, yes, I believe there was a failure to appear.
Why were you put into custody on the CCW out of Hillsdale?
They
Because you didn't appear?
no, they just, when they picked me up, they ended up bringing up the charges. They arrested me on it, but didn't arrest me on it. And then later on, they brought the terms up later on when I ended up coming in for you guys.
Because you violated your bond on that case by picking up this case.
No. They had a hold on me. That ended up the state police picked it up. Like when the occurrence happened, they let me go. And then about later, a couple months later, then they finally picked it up. The state did.
Are you talking about in March?
Yeah, this has been like the beginning of the year when it actually happened. When actually I was pulled over for the traffic stop.
And you pick up a CCW charge out of that?
Yep.
You're let go?
Yes, they let me go at the time. And then once I get pulled over here, that's when I realized that they brought up the charges. Then that's what got me initially stopped for here.
So you had a warrant out for you when you got stopped here?
Yes.
Yeah, it was a felony warrant. I assume they don't usually send notices on those. I assume they charged him. He then got this case, and this is
Let's see. Okay.
involves labs.
Get you.
Yeah. This matter involved labs, so I imagine there was no immediate charge.
And so what happened with the CCW?
I got 6 months and 2 years probation.
So you were incarcerated for 6 months on the CCW?
Yes. And then I got brought here.
I'm going to need some more information on that. I'm not going to let him go. The bond will continue on this matter.
Thank you.